Hi, this is Sarah. Welcome to my YouTube. Let me show you today how you can make your YouTube video background like this one only by spending $5. It could be a background for any of your videos, for any of your social media or YouTube itself. So you need to buy a green screen, just a cloth from Temu, Shein, AliExpress and eBay. They sell green screens at very cheap price. So you need to buy one green screen which costs about $5 from any of these stores. So this is all you need to have for this background. So let me show you the process how you can do it. First you need to place the green screen on the wall like this. I have added some glue dots so my wall is not ruined. They're very cheap at eBay, Temu, Shein and AliExpress, like in 50 pence or cents or 30-40 cents. When your green screen is on the wall, just record yourself. Now next is open Canva and go to Magic Studio. You need to open Canva at your mobile. You can use laptop as well, but I'm just using mobile phone because many of us don't have a laptop. Here you need to select YouTube video, click at this. Now you need to find Magic Media. Here you can see design, elements, text, gallery. Keep looking for Magic Media, which is here. Click on this and this screen will open. There are different options: images, graphics, videos. Videos are now for free version of Canva, so you can use images or graphics. I use images, not graphics, so I will just click at images. Here you can see style and also what kind of image you want. I need landscape because it's my YouTube video. So now you need to describe what kind of background you want. So I have written here, please make a background with black wall and purple LED light for YouTube video. Also add some yellow light and frames at background. You can add more whatever you want. Add a lamp, a study table and clock and generate image. And you can see different backgrounds. You can see different backgrounds here. Select whichever you want. I'm just going for this one here. So this background is added in my YouTube video. Download it. Now you need to download this background. Click at download and it will be downloaded. So here you go, your background is ready. I use this video maker app to edit my videos. You can download it from your app store or play store. Click on video maker. Now select the background you have downloaded from Canva. Now you need to touch this new project. Select the background here and then you can see PIP here. Click at PIP. Now you need to select the video which you want to edit, which you have recorded. Let me select this one here. Okay, let me show you how you edit it now. You go to Chroma here and choose the color you want to edit, you want to remove actually. I'm choosing green color. Now just keep moving around 68. It depends on your video, your light effects and everything. Now it asks about shadows. So this is the video. So this is how you edit your video. You can move it like this. You can move and see where you want it. If you want to put yourself here, you put yourself here, on a side, in the middle. Also, you can change the light effects and everything on that. You can also change the light. You can also add some filters on your video. This filter, that filter. So any filters. Once you're done, just download and you're ready. For good lighting, if you record yourself in daylight or if you record yourself in like outside in the garden. You don't even need the lights. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye. Please subscribe for more learning videos.